Hello and welcome. So now let's just create another Tkinter application, which is a task checklist. So let me just quickly show you how it would look like. So if you run this application, it would come like this. From here, I can add a task. From here, you can delete, and from this button, you can save it. And we don't have anything to delete right now, so we cannot delete it. So let me just add a couple of items here. So first, let's say I would record a video. So let me just write record in checklist. Then I would edit a video. So I would just write edit video. And then I would publish a video. So I would just say publish. And if I click on add, so now we have 3 items in the checklist. So I can check this item or I can uncheck this item. So let me just show you first that save functionality. So just if I click on save, it would be saved. And now if I close this application and run it one more time, so still you would be able to see that my items are being saved and I can still see the item which I had just added sometimes back. Now I can able to check this item. That means this thing is done and editing is also done. So I can save this guy and close it one more time. So next day when I come and want to see the progress, I can simply run this application again and I can see that the recording is done and editing is also done. So now if I have published the video, I would click this guy and I would just say video publishing is also done and I would click on save. And if I close this application again, and if again I want to run this application, I should be able to see that all the 3 checklists are done. So I'm able to see that these 3 things are done. So if I would like to delete this item, I can simply delete this item. And let's say I don't want to delete this record stuff and I want to uncheck this guy. That means for second video, I just want to make this list as it is. And if I click on save, let me just close this application one more time. So now if I run again, it should show only the first item that was recorded and it should be in the uncheck forms. So if I check this item and save it again, and if I again close it and open the application again, I should be see that record is still checked. So this is what we are going to implement from the next video.